Sound boxes. With these sound boxes, we will be practicing CVCe words. Sometimes you will see that there are more than one letter per box. This is because sometimes it takes more than one letter to create a sound. We're going to spell the word gate. We'll start by listening to the word said, then segmented for you. Hearing the segments will make it easier for you to spell the word. Click on the speaker to begin.
Gate, g-8.
Drag the boxes with the sounds you heard. G, A, T. Does this spell gate? No, it does not spell gate because this has a short A sound. This word is gat. Let's try again. G, A, T. In order to spell the word gate, you need a silent E on the end to make the A say its long name A. G-8. Click Submit to see if you're correct. If you're incorrect, you can drag the letters back over and switch them out for something else. Now let's spell the word. Click on the speaker to hear the word said and segmented.
Gate, g-8.
Now type the letters in the boxes that go with the sounds. G, A, T. Remember, we need that silent E on the end to make this A say its long name. Click Submit to see if you're correct. If you're incorrect, you can type different letters into the boxes. Now you try. Click Next to go to your first card. Have fun!